What's important to me is that the company that's selling your solar is also the one that's installing it, and that they have a physical address where you can come and meet and greet them and talk about the products that you're considering putting in your home or business. Please don't get caught out with an orphan system where your installer and or your retailer has vanished. A couple of other things to consider is your installation team and company. Are they Clean Energy Council members? The installer's Clean Energy Council licensed? And also the Victorian solar rebate system is a difficult system to be compliant with, which is fantastic. We are authorised installers for the Vic government scheme, and it's a difficult thing to be because the bar is very high to maintain that level of installation. One of the things that's really quite common with solar design is embellishment of what the solar will deliver in comparison to what your actual usage is. So a designer is supposed to give you an accurate account of what the solar would do and what the solar will make and deliver, and then you can compare that with what your actual usage is. Our process here, which is the ideal way to do it, is to get your data for the past 12 months or more of what your actual usage is, and then overlay that against what our programs tell us that the solar will accurately deliver, and then we can tell you accurately that what the solar is going to do for your energy bill. A consistent industry bugbear is subcontractors installing subpar standard systems. Challenges for subcontractors not having pride in their work that we often find when we back at systems for people can be roof leaks, for not care in installing things, rubbish left in gutters, rubbish left on roofs, where it can damage, if it's a sheet iron system, a sheet metal roof, that what's left there can damage the integrity of the roof. Systems not tested and working, so they haven't met expectations from day one. There's a multitude of things that we find on other installations, which is can go from not cleaning up, material left in gutters, material left on roof leaks, things not being straight, conduits just run down the outside of someone's walls which are untidy when it may be able to be done differently, and things concealed. Things that basically where the pride in leaving the job, that's how you'd expect someone to do it at their own home and or at their mum and dad's. So my advice take home from that would be to ensure that the team that are coming to site to install your solar and batteries are employed team directly by the installation company. You may have long warranties on your equipment, your inverters and your panels, but what's the warranty that the installation team are going to provide? So again, looking for, say, a Tier 1 installation team, how bankable are they that they're going to be around in 5 years, 10 years to honour their installation? If the installation is also not done to code, could the warranty for the panels or the inverters be denied because the installation instructions weren't followed? And if the installation company isn't round to be part of that discussion, then you may not have warranty on your panels or inverters because things weren't done to code. It seems the industry standard warranty is 5 years. Our installation warranty is 10. I feel we can easily and genuinely say we're going to be around for the next 10 years because we've been in business for the last 23 years. Another great question to ask of your installation team is, what have they got at home? What have they got for their friends and family? So our products here that we are recommending to people are the same products, batteries, panels and inverters that we all have at our homes. Historically, most people's reason for installing solar has been to actually just reduce the cost of their energy bills. Internally here, our reasons for ourselves installing and using solar is being more socially aware about not wanting to use one-off things like energy that's actually consumed once and then polluted the environment. So we find now that many people's buttons is their larger button is being socially aware about using their own energy and their impact on the world being greater, far less. So to wrap that up, in considering solar, you'll either be in one or two camps, but hopefully both. In the saving some outlay on your energy, but hopefully your environmental button and your socially aware button is a button that aligns with us as well. That's a driving reason to do solar and batteries and or save energy. Thanks for listening to what we've just had to say. Look forward to you coming to see us at our showroom and looking at the diverse range of things that we do, whether it's the solar, the batteries, the heat pump hot waters, the air conditioning, the hydronic, and the many things we also repair.